First, thank you for taking the time to be here. My name is Steve Ridley. I'm the Vice President of Franchise Development for SpeedPro. I've spent over 20 years in franchising, working with emerging brands, established systems, single unit operators, and multi unit owners. Over those 2 decades, I've learned that truly strong franchise models tend to share a few key characteristics: clear differentiation, strong unit level economics, operational simplicity, scalable systems, and leadership that supports franchisees long term. SpeedPro checks those boxes. Today isn't about printing, it's about ownership. It's about evaluating whether this is the right vehicle for your financial goals, your leadership style, and the lifestyle you want to build. SpeedPro operates in the large format visual communication space. If it's big and printed, we produce it. But what's important here is what we are not. We are not a copy center. We are not retail walk in printing. We're not price shopping consumers. We specialize in high impact visual environments for businesses: wall murals, window graphics, vehicle wraps, trade show displays, etc. These are professional buyers, high ticket projects, repeat relationships, brand driven clients. We help businesses look bigger than they are, and that positions us in a very profitable niche. SpeedPro, the brand, has roots. We were founded in 1992, franchising since the mid 90s, entered into the US in 2003. In 2014, SpeedPro was acquired by Fairfield Maxwell, a third generation private equity firm. That's long term capital, not short term flipping. In 2023, we crossed over 100 million in system wide sales. In 2025, we were named to the Franchise Times Top 400. That's sustained growth, that's maturity, that's brand validation. The wide format print industry is very fragmented. Many competitors who bought equipment without strategy, depend heavily on one skilled operator, lack financial discipline, don't build recurring revenue models, have consistent vendor relationships. They are production shops. SpeedPro is a systems driven business model inside that industry. We provide workflow systems, negotiated vendor relationships, business coaching, sales discipline, and account strategy. We truly modernize an industry that hasn't modernized itself. There are a few differentiators I want to emphasize. Our Kickstart program. You can begin generating revenue before your studio fully is open, leveraging the network. Scalability. This can grow beyond one location, or you can grow just one location. High margins. Our top 75% average profitability ranges between 20 to 30% per our item 19. Non retail hours. This is true B2B hours. You are not managing nights and weekend foot traffic. Best in class support. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. This model is designed for leadership and account development, not machine operation. We are exclusively B2B. That matters. Businesses reorder, hospitals expand, universities refresh, retailers update seasonal graphics, event planners produce annually. This creates repeat relationships. And because we serve multiple industries, revenue is diversified, not dependent on one segment. These numbers come directly from our 2025 FDD and our item 19. Top 25% average gross sales over 1.6 million. Average owner's discretionary profit over 445,000. That's 26.2% owner discretionary profit. System-wide growth 4.7 year over year. What I always tell candidates, don't focus on averages, focus on behaviors. Top performers build long-term accounts. Price strategically, lead teams, follow systems, protect margins. This is not luck driven performance, it's process driven. The total investment range is approximately 235,000 to 350,000, with an average of a total investment of around 250,000. What I appreciate about this model is capital efficiency. You're not building a restaurant, you're not carrying heavy inventory, you're not overbuilding retail space. The largest component is equipment and systems, revenue generating assets. This is investment into capability, not decor. Support happens in three phases: launch, which includes onboarding, training, and site location; operate, which is workflow systems, production guidance, and vendor leverage; and then finally, growth. Business coaching, marketing strategy, and our annual conference collaboration. Our role is to compress your learning curve and protect your margins. A SpeedPro owner typically spends their time meeting with local business clients, reviewing estimates, managing projects, leading a small team, building community relationships. You are not chained to production equipment. This is creative, it's fast paced, and it's relationship driven. And it offers schedule flexibility that many franchise models simply do not. This process is structured and is very mutual. You evaluate us, we evaluate you. What you can see by our process is it goes through goals, request for consideration, FDD review, territory analysis, meet the team, validation, and final decision making. There's no pressure, but there is structure. We move forward with clarity. These are former corporate professionals who wanted control, scalability, lifestyle, and support. What you'll hear in validation is culture matters, system matters, margins are achievable when you follow the model. This is not a lone operator business, it's a collaborative franchise network. I've been in franchising for over 20 years. I've seen trends come and go, I've seen brands scale, and I've seen brands struggle. What I've learned is this: the strongest franchise systems combine solid economics, operational clarity, leadership support, and a defensible niche. SpeedPro operates in a growing B2B segment. It offers strong profitability potential. It provides structured support, and it allows owners to build an asset, not just buy a job. If your goals align with six-figure income potential, scalable business ownership, non-retail lifestyle, and leading a professional team, then SpeedPro may be the right vehicle for you. From here, the next step is clarity around your goals, territory strategy, and funding path. Let's talk about what makes the most sense for you. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.